So you're thinking about buying a home, refinancing a home, you go online and you click to look for what's today's interest rate. That is absolutely the most misleading concept in the mortgage world, and I'll explain to you why in just a moment. Hey everybody, John King with Summit Funding, and today I'm going to give you some wisdom on what goes into an interest rate. I get calls every single day from people saying, hey, I'm thinking about refinancing my mortgage. What's today's rate? There is no answer to that question. I'll give you a short overview on what things go into it. First of all, depends on what type of loan we're doing. Are we doing a conventional loan? Are we doing an FHA loan or a VA loan? Each of them have different interest rates. Within that loan, we care most about what is your credit score and what is the percentage we're loaning you compared to the value of the home. And it's actually a combination of those two factors, the credit score and the percentage that we're loaning you, that has the biggest impact to your interest rate. So if you have great credit, well, then whether we're loaning you a high percentage or a low percentage of what the home is worth, you're getting a pretty good rate, if not a great rate. If you have low credit, you're getting an okay rate if you have a lot of equity, a horrible rate if you don't have a lot of equity. That's on a conventional loan. I like to say conventional loans are very sensitive to the combination of your credit score and your loan to value ratio. FHA and VA loans are much more forgiving. They still care about what your credit score is and how much we're loaning you compared to the value of the home, but they're not as sensitive to those differences. And so someone that has a lower credit score will only pay a little bit more than someone who has a better credit score. The rate is different whether you're pulling cash out or just refinancing what you owe. The rate is different whether you have a second mortgage on the house or not. Think about that. The rate on your first mortgage is different whether you have a second mortgage on the home or not, because the first mortgage lender, their risk is impacted by the fact that you have a second mortgage on the home. So a lot of factors go into it. The type of home. Is it a manufactured home? Is it a condominium? Is it a 2, 3, or 4 unit property? Is it your primary home, your second home, or an investment property? All of those things go into determining what is your interest rate. So the next time you go online and you look to see what today's interest rate is, that's not an accurate statement at all. That is a representation of one scenario, and if you read all the way at the bottom, it'll give you all the details on what that scenario is, and I'll guarantee you it doesn't match your situation. You want to know what the rate is that you can get? Give me a call. I'll give you a very specific quote, and I'll take great care of you. Have any questions about this or anything else? We'll look forward to taking that call from you, and we'll help you out through this whole process. Have an absolutely amazing day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.